Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Oogie Boogie, so let's get started. To draw this very cool character, let's start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve that slants down. So come right here, go up and then come down. Very steep angle. Then from there we're going to come in this area right here and round it off and connect. So let's do the same thing on the other side, and so it's going to be really close together, so say about right here. Just going to drag a point and then go up just like the other side, go up with a big curve, and then once again right about here we're going to round it off and connect. There. And so now that we have these very evil eyes in, you can come in here and just shade it all in black. So if you want it more evil, you can just make it more slanted and a little bit thinner. But this is a Draw So Cute version of Oogie Boogie, right? So we still want it a slightly cute, if that's possible. Okay, so I'm just gonna come right here and just thicken this part up a little bit more, and here. Okay, so then now that we have the eyes in, I'm going to come right down here and draw the mouth. So it's nice and wide. So right where the eyes are, so about right here, we're going to wobble, just wobble, curve towards the center, and then go right back up. And then we're going to do the same thing at the bottom, just wobble a little bit. And right here as well. And connect. And then we're just going to come in here and shade this in just like the eyes. So now that we have that in, let's come back to where the mouth is, and we're just going to draw these little curves that come into the mouth. So right here and there, we're just going to go ahead and just curve on this side going this way. And then at the bottom as well, we're just going to curve it downwards. Here and there. There. So something like that. And then now that we have that in, let's go ahead and frame the face. So let's start where the eyes are. I'm going to come right above the eyes right here, really close, and then go up and around to create this little curve around the eye. So same thing over here. Just come up and just curve around the eye. Now that we have this, we're going to bring this down a little bit more. Let's say about the center of the eye. And then we're going to poof it out a little bit, kind of like where the cheeks are. So around the mouth and out. From there, let's go ahead and bring this curve in really close to the mouth area. So I'm just going to drag this down right here. And same thing over here. Just bring this down to about the center area, but we'll leave it open. There. And then now let's go ahead and draw the top. So come back to this area right here, and we're just going to draw a curve out, and then this side's going to go this way. So we're going to go up, kind of like this hat area. So we're going to bring this up all the way out to about, say, about right here. And then we're going to start to bring it in. And we're going to create this little tail area. So round off the tip a little bit, and then we're going to bring it right back in here. About here. There. And then let's see here, we can bring this curve out a little bit more. Okay, so nice and creepy now, right? Hopefully. Just add a little bit of details here and there. Make things a little bit sharper. So now that we have that, let's come back right here, and we're just going to give another layer. Make it nice and chubby right underneath. So then for the body, let's come about right here in this area, and I'll just give myself a point here and here, kind of like where the armpits would be, right? So let's say about right here. And then I'm going to bring this down, and I'm just going to wobble my way down at a slight angle. And I'll bring this down a little bit more to create this little bag shape. So just kind of wobble. Let's say about right here is where I'm going to end it, and I'm just going to wobble a line across. Then this is where the feet are going to poke out, so let's come right here, and we're going to curve it out slightly, round off the tip, and then bring it in to about right here. And then same thing on this side, just round it off about same level, about right here, and round off the tip. There, we have the feet in, right? And then let's see here, now for the arms. So I'll start about right here, make them nice and wide shoulders. And so about right here, we're just gonna bring this in, and then the arms about right here. And just like the feet, round off the tip and then connect. And then this hand, I thought it'd be nice to have it on the hip area, so let's bend it. So same thing, let's come about right here. And about right here is where I'll stop. Come in right here. And then we're going to bend it. Draw a curve, and then elbow area, and then bring it in. And a little hand. Round it off. There. Okay, so then that is the main shape that we're drawing. Then let's come in here for some details. So let's say about right here, we can add like a little wobble here and there, just to give Oogie Boogie here some texture on his body. Nice and light here and there. And then with the stitches, right? Very important stitches that we need to add. So let's say about right here, I can add a stitch that just kind of tapers in. And to create these stitches, just come in here and cross them. Sometimes you can put an X, all in different directions. So same thing over here. And this one, we're just gonna bring it all the way down. And once again, just cross it different directions to create that stitch. And one more right here. Just a little indication. And I think, let's see, that's pretty much, I think we have enough stitches. We have some on the body, but not too sure you would see it at this angle, so we'll leave it. And because this is my Draw So Cute Oogie Boogie, I couldn't resist. I'm just going to put a heart right here. And that is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw this cool character, fun and easy today, and that inspires you to draw for Halloween. Thanks so much for watching. If I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.